guys, Timo's back here in business again, and today we're gonna be unlocking the chimera and also try it out. As you guys can see, I've done 9 out of 15, and now we're gonna get the other 6 that I have left. We're gonna use ISO Hemlock in this video to unlock the chimera, and hopefully I know it's not gonna be any difficult, and we're gonna play shipment 24/7 as well, so we can do it as fast as possible. And here comes a little montage of me getting the kills.
Hello there.
And there we have it, boys and girls. The chimera is finally unlocked, and we will try it out in some... I think we're just gonna play some quick play actually, and then we're gonna see what how it does, and if it's any good or if it's too powerful. It's remind me a bit of the honey badger from MW2. In game it doesn't look like anything crazy, but I like it. I like how it's like a built-in suppressor in the front. Let's hear what it sounds like. Oh, here we got the enemy actually. Oh, it sounds kind of like a BB gun or something. Let's try it again. Oh shit, there's a ton of recoil on this one. Oh, I'm not gonna challenge that one. I'm only gonna die. It feels more like a SMG than a AR. But I think it's... with some attachments, I think it's gonna be really good and dominate. But with no attachments, it's decent I guess, but it's nothing crazy like the ISO Hemlock with no attachments or the M4. I don't know, I'm not gonna try to... You can run in, let's go. Oh shit. Oh man, I like how it feels so fast paced, but it's not like... a bit too fast for a assault rifle, it feels like. But, I don't know. I don't think it's my kind of weapon, but it's definitely good. It's definitely a good AR, but not the best. There we go, the chimera is finally unlocked, and I think it's actually a kind of a good SMG more than an AR. Like if you run the MP5 in Warzone, I think this would be a good alternative as well, like more of an SMG than an AR, but it's definitely a good gun. But I don't know, it's not the best AR. I wouldn't choose it over the TAC or the M4, but it's definitely a good AR. If you run the MP7, I think you should try this out and take it for a spin in Warzone or DMC. But that will be all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.